Does he deserve the credit for saying that there should be more troops in Afghanistan? And now the chairman of the Joint Chiefs is saying just the same thing.
Actually, the chairman of the Joint Chiefs said yesterday that it'd be very dangerous to do what Senator Obama wants to do in Iraq. He said that the fragile victory that we are succeeding in gaining would be all placed at risk if we did what Senator Obama wanted. Look, you don't have to choose to lose in Iraq in order to succeed in Afghanistan. Of course, I've been following closely the events in Afghanistan. I gave speeches in Germany talking about the need for more NATO troops, more U.S. troops, but it's more complicated than that, Diane. It's not just a matter of troops. It's a matter of our relations with Pakistan. It's relations with a new strategy which can and will succeed, the same kind that worked in Iraq, which he has rejected, and we can succeed there, but it's going to be tough. It is very tough. If we had lost in Iraq, the complications in Afghanistan would have been enormously more difficult.